Hello all, welcome to the Smart Lab free course Embedded for Beginners. This is Pawan, Scientist B from NILIT Calicut Center. Now let us discuss about Smart Lab, what is meant by Smart Lab and what is its use cases. And after that we will see about our course Embedded for Beginners and about the course structure. First, the acronym of Smart Lab is Skilled Manpower Advanced Research and Training Lab. It is a facility which is of virtual prototyping lab which is set up at NILIT Calicut Center as part of Chip2 startup program of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. The Smart Lab has been set up for the proliferation of advanced VLSI and embedded system design training, research and electronic system development across the country. As we all know, to learn about any electronics hardware or embedded system design concepts, we have to practice more laboratory experiments on the hardware. So for that purpose, the Smart Lab facility is providing that multiple hardwares using the remote using its the Smart Lab facility is providing multiple hardwares through its remote hardware facility in the state of art areas of embedded system, VLSI and embedded product design. The use cases with the Smart Lab are you can feel like you are directly accessing the hardware and you can remotely observe what it is happening on the hardware using video interface, and you can access the remote hardware from anywhere in the world. As we know, for most of the hardware systems there will be necessary software toolchains which will be present. We are already installed those softwares in our server, so like using a remote connection you can directly use those softwares which are already installed. Now let us discuss about our Smart Lab course which is embedded for beginners. This is a introductory course which is used to introduce about the embedded hardware for all. It is a beginner level course which is available for free of cost. And the structure of this embedded for beginners course is, first we will discuss about programming language. In that we are going to choose about C programming, about embedded hardware and what is meant by embedded hardware, for a project how to choose the embedded hardware and what are the different embedded hardwares are present, and for some hardwares which are working on the controllers we will discuss about that, and some hardwares processor will be there for which are with processors there may be need of OS. In case if OS is needed, which OS we have to choose, all those things we will discuss about the topic about embedded hardware. After that we will see about how to utilize the Smart Lab. After that we will discuss about how to utilize the Smart Lab resources. That means how to use the IDEs or softwares which are installed in our servers and how to access the embedded hardware, and we will do some experiments on that hardware. Now let us dive into our course Embedded for Beginners and let us see about basics of programming language.